Hello, let's look at how we can create a survey that will include GDPR settings in 3 steps. In the Edit, Settings, GDPR tab, we have an option of additional GDPR settings for a certain survey. Don't forget to click on the Save Changes button after adjusting the settings. In the first step, we indicate whether our survey is collecting personal data. If we select the option Yes, additional options will open where we can indicate which personal data we are collecting in the survey. Name, email, location, telephone, web identifier, and other identifiers that we enter ourselves in the input field. In the second step, we indicate whether we want to use the 1KA GDPR template question for respondents' consent to the collection of their personal data in the survey introduction. This means that the respondents will have to indicate their agreement with the collection of their personal data before completing the survey. If they indicate that they do not agree with the collection of personal data, they won't be able to complete the survey. If we want to put the consent question somewhere else in the questionnaire, we check the option No. In this case, we go to the Edit Questionnaire tab and use the GDPR question type available among all question types, which we can place anywhere in the survey and edit its text as desired. In this case, we must make sure that the questions appear only to those who give their consent using the conditions. In the third step, we specify the details about collecting personal data. Under GDPR data handling settings, we can change data storage time, specify other users of personal data, specify the export of data to foreign countries, provide the contact information of the data protection officer, the default contact is the survey author, and provide contact of the survey author. Based on the data entered above, 2 reports are prepared below, which can be downloaded in PDF or doc formats. The printout of information given to an individual contains the text displayed to the respondent in the case when one-click survey GDPR introduction is enabled. The text describes personal data, use and storage of data, data protection, and deletion, correction, or access to personal data. The report can be downloaded and provided to the respondents upon their request. The Records of Processing Activities printouts, however, displays all information on the collection, storage, and processing of personal data that must be kept by organizations. This was a display of adjusting GDPR settings in a survey.